In recent years, there have been a series of shocking events in society. Many people have been unwittingly drawn into a dangerous trap, becoming accomplices to criminal groups and ultimately suffering unjust treatment. Some innocent citizens have held press conferences, tearfully recounting their unfortunate ordeals. They claim to have been deceived into opening bank accounts or leasing their bank accounts to unidentified companies. These unscrupulous individuals employ cunning tactics to funnel illicit funds into these leased bank accounts, concealing the true culprits behind the scenes. When the authorities initiate investigations, these unwitting account holders become scapegoats, facing imprisonment and hefty fines if their bank accounts are confirmed to have been used for criminal activities. One should not assume an easy escape. Even if you assert that you merely lent your account to a friend, failing to provide a reasonable explanation for the transaction records in your account, especially if you are the account holder, will result in legal consequences. The consequences of renting out bank accounts for profit are far from benign. Take the case of Mr. A truck driver from Selangor, who believed he could easily pocket $1,600 every month. However, his bank account was utilized in social media scams by unscrupulous individuals. Consequently, he was charged with involvement in at least 4 fraud cases. After pleading guilty, he not only had to pay a $6,000 fine but also faced the prospect of 13 similar cases from other states awaiting his trial. John's tragedy began with an introduction from a so-called friend named Kevin, who claimed to be involved in online business, primarily dealing with shoe and clothing purchases. Kevin promised monthly commissions in exchange for using John's bank account. Desperate to cover his car insurance, John agreed to the proposal, oblivious to the immense trouble it would bring. The criminals took 3 of his debit cards, transferring thousands of dollars daily on average. To his astonishment, the total amount involved across these 3 accounts amounted to a staggering $145,000. When he attempted to contact Kevin, the phone number had already been deleted, much like his vanished money. Then there's Ms. Wong, a resident of Kuala Lumpur, who, due to financial hardships, trusted a stranger and lent her bank account to earn extra income. However, she never anticipated that she might face incarceration. These real-life stories serve as a cautionary tale, reminding us to remain vigilant and not succumb to the temptations of strangers. By doing so, we can avoid becoming entangled in illicit activities and suffering the heavy price. If you witness suspicious activities, it is imperative to promptly report them to the authorities, ensuring your own safety and that of society.